Mm-hmm. So, babe.
Yeah, babe.
You sure you can't spend the night with me?
You know I forgot one, babe.
Right. To your wife.
Babe, let's not do this tonight. Alright. I tell you already, I'm gonna tell you again. I love she. You me love.
You sure?
Certain. What's sweet you? Hey, make sure you have an next man, you know. Hey, me the only man if you have.
Uh-oh. So, hold on. Mr. Smith, you're a whole married man and you're telling me that I must make sure that I'm only talking to you? You hear that sound?
The divorce paper them all come through, just give me time.
But that you say every time and I'll know.
These things take time, you know. Worse when my baby is involved. Just be patient, please.
But I've been patient. I just can't wait to have it to myself.
Yeah? You're gonna have no man. You're gonna have me. Hey, you know what I regret in life?
What's that?
That I didn't meet you earlier. But I'm having now. We're gonna start a family together. Yeah. Me, you, and a baby in the middle.
You want to start a family with me?
Yes. You're my moon in the night. You're the one that illuminates my darkness.
Oh! Well, it's so good to hear you say that, babe.
Yeah?
Because I have a little surprise for you.
Yeah? All right.
Okay, so I'm expecting.
Expecting what? Money?
No, I'm expecting. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, babe, like, you want to start a family with me and everything, and I mean, I guess we're starting earlier than we thought, right? I mean, I've been wanting to tell you, but I was just so nervous. Like, I thought you'd be upset, you know, given the situation. But, you know, you just talking about baby and everything, it just got me so happy. And I mean, I have everything planned out already. Like, I have my appointment set. I started taking my prenatal.
Hold on.
What's wrong?
Slow down. You're pregnant?
Yeah.
I don't think I can do this.
You don't think you can do what?
This, you being pregnant.
What are you talking about? Like, you've done this already. Like, you literally have a whole child already. Like, I don't understand.
Yes, I have a whole child with my wife.
Oh, your wife? You mean the one that you just told me that you were going to leave for me?
Yes, but I'm presently still with her.
Oh, well, presently, I am pregnant.
Well, you can take that present, gift wrap it, and dash it the fuck away. Because I don't want it.